Imagine a place where nature's deadliest creatures are the key to humanity's survival. Welcome to the Serpent Sanctuary, a fortress of glass and steel hidden from the world. Here, thousands of venomous snakes thrive in a perfect artificial ecosystem. But they aren't just residents, they are donors, watched over by an army of silent, precise machines. Witness the future of extraction. No human hands touch these serpents. Our advanced robotic hunters move with a grace that rivals the predators themselves, capturing, analyzing, and transporting with zero harm. Every scale scanned, every drop of venom measured. This isn't just a factory, it's a symphony of science and robotics. Inside the lab, the magic happens. Watch as liquid gold, pure, potent venom is harvested by automated systems. This deadly toxin is about to become a lifesaver. Purified, freeze-dried, transformed, we turn lethal poison into the building blocks of modern medicine. Treatments for heart disease, strokes, chronic pain, all born from the bite of a cobra. From a deadly strike to a healing touch. This is the cutting edge of biotechnology. This is where fear meets hope. You won't believe your eyes until you see the full journey, from the fang to the pharmacy. Stick around, because you're about to witness the most dangerous factory on Earth. Don't
Analysis
miss
complete.
a second of this incredible process. Watch the full video now to see how robots are turning venom into a cure.
This process tolerates zero error.
Here, humans don't make the decision. The AI does, in milliseconds.
Humans are merely the observers. Control lies with the AI. For every drop to be purified, we employ cutting-edge nanofiltration technology.
Spin, filter, purify. Precision governs every single step.
This is now medicine-grade snake venom, not just safe for any medical application, but life-saving. This is now medicine-grade snake venom, not just safe for any medical application. Now, every single drop is verified against the absolute standard of perfection. Every snake species is unique. Therefore, a gene-level check is non-negotiable. The AI corrects minor deviations autonomously. Human intervention is not required. Batch, time, type. Every datum is stored in the digital ledger for eternity. Here, every drop saves lives. Therefore, its handling demands extreme care. Tracking and traceability are 100% automated and permanent. Not a single drop of error is acceptable. The environment must be absolute. Human hands are unnecessary here. Ultimate safety rests entirely with the AI and automation. Here, every drop saves lives. Therefore, its handling demands extreme care. Tracking and traceability are 100% automated and permanent. Not a single drop of error is acceptable. The environment must be absolute. Human hands are unnecessary here. Ultimate safety rests entirely with the AI and automation. Robotics and AI have expanded safe snake venom handling capabilities to a worldwide scale. The dangers born from human error are now confined to history. Scientists now focus purely on discovery and innovation, while the robots manage all danger.
By sharing knowledge in real time through this collective intelligence, we are revolutionizing how we paradigm shift. We initiated the paradigm shift, moving definitively from the era of fear to once universally feared. Now brings hope and healing to every corner of the globe.
The future holds more than just venom. All of nature's dangerous resources will be safe. Humanity will conduct the research, but robots will manage all peril. Every dangerous element in nature holds the potential to be transformed into a life-saving tool. In the world of tomorrow, humanity remains safe, free to imagine, learn, and create.